we are going to be doing a week in my life. Hi, I'm Tayton, and if you just clicked on this video, I hope you take the chance to subscribe and put the bell on so you don't miss a video from me. Today you're going to be watching a couple days of my life, and I hope that you enjoy it and find it exciting.
Coming, old man, keep running. You better get out while you can. We were broke, cold, let in, pushed out. Thought I heard it so, to up and leave this town. Head out west, they say, maybe California, and leave this dead land behind. So long, Oklahoma, I think they said farewell to me.
Today we are going to be doing a week in my life. Hope you enjoy. Today we're starting with Tuesday, so let's get right to it. And if I don't talk, I will explain some stuff, but if that, hope you enjoy. And so to start off, it ended up last time I was here, probably a month ago, we came up to check on the cabin and the whole cabin was flooded. I will insert something right here, but everything had to be torn out, and this is where we are right now. So everything has been torn out. We're going to start by laying some sheeting and everything to get the flooring ready. My grandpa is currently going to get the supplies right now, so we are doing that. And just pretty much working up here and just getting some stuff ready and doing it ourselves for a little bit. But just wanted to kind of clarify that up.
Sleep beneath the stars in California, dreaming of that old used to be. I'm going back up until I can't stand. I'm gonna cut it down with my own two hands. Tall timber falling, I hear Tulsa calling, saying, won't you come back when you can? So long, Oklahoma, I feel they said farewell to thee. Sleep beneath the stars in California, dreaming of that old used to be.
We got back from the cabin and we're just finishing up some chores. So I am in the chicken coop and let's collect some eggs.
I look out across the water, I smell the song, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee. We don't know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow.
Today I got a jaunt to home help clean one of my grandma's friend's house. So today will be a lot of the time lapse of me just cleaning and showing you how it goes. So I hope you enjoy.
The sun is gonna rise each and every time, but I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Leaper's Fork to Watertown, and maybe Johnson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the calling of Tennessee. And who are we to know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow? The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on my mind. I miss the smoke on the Cumberland and the fireflies at midnight, and the color of the leaves in the fall. Who are we to know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow? The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on. Yeah, I've still got Tennessee on my mind. I look out across the water, I smell the salt, I feel the breeze, but in my heart I hear the calling of my old home, Tennessee.
I have finally made it to the final area, which is the basement. So I just did the stairs and got that all done, and which is leading down here because it was all carpet and I vacuumed it. Now the next step is the basement, and I'm going to show you all of before. I'll do a final recap of everything, but just trying to get everything done now. So let's show you the basement and what we got to work with.
Where these rivers flow, why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time.
I just know that this room that I'm in right now, it's gonna be another big one, but it'll be good to see like the before and after and everything. It's just whew. So let's get back to cleaning, and I'll put you back on the time lapse.
But I've still got Tennessee on my mind. From Leaper's Fork Carson City or Memphis bound. No matter where I go, no matter what I see, I still hear the calling of Tennessee. Who even know where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow? The sun is gonna rise each and every time. And
Recap of what happened. So I finished cleaning the house for the one lady and made it back, and my aunt came over, so then we went to the store like probably 10 minutes after I got back, and that is where the clip of when I'm in Old Navy comes in. And then after Old Navy we went to Starbucks and then back to the farm where I'm at right now, and instantly started doing chores. So that is where all of the animal videos come in. There she is. I'm keeping her on her leash with me because she almost killed the chicken yesterday because we're trying to learn that.
you got Tennessee on my mind. I miss the smoke on the Cumberland and the fireflies at midnight, and the color of the leaves in the fall.
So we just went and picked up 3 cows, and I'm just getting my bag of stuff. Tomorrow we are going back to the cabin and we're going to work on all that subflooring. So it's like 7:30, but we're leaving at like 6, so it's going to be an early morning. But just thought I would keep you guys updated. We're about to have dinner. We're having goulash, so. This was the stuff I got. So I wanted to show you some of the stuff I got at the mall from Old Navy. Got a basic blue tank. Then on clearance on a matching set, purple shorts. And then these, they're like joggers and leggings. This was dinner. It was delicious.
Where these rivers flow, or why the wind chooses when and where to blow. The sun is gonna rise each and every time, and I've still got Tennessee on. Yeah, I've still got Tennessee on my mind.
I'm going back up to make my last stand. I'm gonna dust it off with my own hands. Black blizzard coming, old man keep running. You better get out while you can. We were broke, cold.
Good morning and welcome to today. Today is Thursday and we are back at the cabin.
pushed out. Thought I heard it so, to up and leave this town. Head out west, they say, maybe California, and leave this dead land behind. So long, Oklahoma, I think they said farewell to me. Sleep beneath the stars in California, dreaming of that old used to be. I'm going back up until I can't stand. I'm gonna cut it down with my own two hands. Tall timber falling, I hear Tulsa calling, saying, won't you come back when you can?
Well, about good evening. We are doing chores right now and made it back from the cabin where we were fixing up everything, had to drive home, and we picked up 4 calves. So that was where we were at with the Amish farm, which that's what it was, and just took a couple videos of the cows and stuff, but made it back here where we are doing chores and just feeding everybody. So there's the baby cows, big cows, and then we have the chickens, and we have 1 sheep right now. So doing that, and then I'm about to collect the eggs, and I just fed them. So that is where we're at for the night. I am tired, and I am ready to get all clean and go tanning and then lay in bed.
Oh, long Oklahoma, I think they said farewell to thee. Sleep beneath the stars in California, dreaming of that old used to be.
This one's the mean rooster, and it just attacked me. Go. Go, little guy. Go, little guy. Just wanted to give a big thank you if you stayed and watched the majority of the video or most of it. Appreciate it, and I hope you guys stay tuned for future videos.